What is up, YouTube? It's XGN Hayes here today with Blackhawk. Okay, so I got something for you guys. It's by far the creepiest game I've ever played. What is this? Hold on, guys. Got a message. Just kidding. Alright. Okay, so the game I'm playing is White Noise Online. You can get it on the App Store on Xbox 360 for $1. And what we are going to be doing is playing the hardest map? Blackhawk? Alright. The hardest map on the hardest setting. Well, in his opinion. I don't know if it is for you guys or not, but this is just in his opinion. This will be only my second time playing the game. First time I played the game, I freaked the fuck out once I died, and I almost broke my mic. So, yeah. I almost swallowed my dip, was not good. My mom was down here and watching when I died, and she was like, "What the hell?" And so we're gonna give this a go. So start it up now if you want. Make sure my settings are correct. Preferences, voice. How many? Nice. Shit. I fucked up. Nice. Yep, it's still recording.
You guys, players, people, my subscribers are saying this. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate it. I love my bro out here. For the people who are Mr. Hayes' friends.
Alright, let's do this. Yeah. Nothing there, okay. Let's do this. Go to the window. Get it? Oh god. Yep, he's still there.
We're gonna go walk closer.
Okay. Is he there? Is he behind the tree? Oh god. Hold on, I'm gonna go turn my light off. Oh god, what just happened? Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I need to turn down my TV. Oh god. Okay, where are you? I lost you. Huh? Oh, I see you. Okay, hold on. Where'd you go? God damn it, I lost you again. I could have swore I saw you go over here. Oh, there you are. Okay.
I'm out. What can I do? I stared at you. So really scary. He shows up.
Oh god. Ooh, R.I.P. Rest in peace. Wonder whose this is. Wonder whose coffin that is. Oh. Ooh, a castle. Oh god, there he is. He's to the left.
And he's really close.
Oh god.
He's really close.
Damn. Okay, so now I know what I'm up against and I'm not as freakish as the first time. Same. Oh god, my flashlight's starting to flicker. My light is off. This is really creeping me out because my light is off and almost everybody in the house is sleeping. Did you? Oh god, he's right next to me. Oh god. Oh no, there he is. There he is. He's right there. Hey pussy. Shout out to the black pussy in his room. Shout out. Alright. Damn. Oh my god, I died. He popped out right behind me and he grabbed me. He was close. He was really close. I see you. Okay. Yeah. I don't know. I can't see him. I can't see him. I don't see him. True. Okay, for those of you guys that don't, well, guys and girls, if you guys are watching this, but for those of you that don't know what I am right now, I'm not a person anymore. Well, I am. I'm dead because he got me, obviously, but I'm a ghost, okay? And I don't have no clue what my objective is right now, but I'm following him. You're not able to see the ghost or whatever the hell you want to call him, Slenderman type dude, but yeah. True. He teleported. Telekinesis. The street. Oh yeah. I was just humping you. Oh yeah. Get back here, little boy, so I can rape you. Oh god, I just slurped a little. Oh, he's dying. Tape recorders found. 3 out of 5. Hold on. It's recording, I just don't have the thinger up all the way. Hold on. Because when I died, I was afraid it was going to be too loud. Alright, go. Alright, you can go now. Blackhawk, you there?
Yeah, Mike's a little messed up.
Alright, sorry about that, I'll fix it. But you go ahead with the subscribers.
Well, I don't really feel like going to do 16,000 right now.
Alright.
Oh, let's do it him. Alright. Shout out to Blind Man Adventures, one of my subscribers. He's been going for, I don't know how long he's been with it. Actually. But no, he has been liking a lot of my stuff, so thank you, bro. Alright, who else? Who else today?
Alright, hold on. What was his name? Or his thing?
This thing was, if I can find it. Blind Man Adventures.
Okay. For those of you that didn't hear on the over the thinger that I'm playing this on, it's Blind Man what?
Adventures.
Okay, it's Blind Man Adventures.
No spaces on iPhone.
No spaces, but it's on iFunny, so go ahead, check him out. Alright. He's been with them for quite a while. So if you could check him out, it'd be pretty nice.
Also, I'd like to shout out my hobby from school. That night, when you had like my first time in my career. That's it. LAO Vines.
Alright, check out LAO Vines.
No, LMAO.
Oh, LMAO Vines. One of Blackhawk's buddies. Very good buddies.
You call him pork chop. That's what it's pork chop. Kind of like one of those short, like kids,
Yeah. If Mr. XGen is watching this, I'd like it if you could please like and subscribe. It'd be very helpful. I just recently lost a I just recently lost a sub. So if you could make that sub up to me, that would be great. I think I've already subbed to your channel. I'm positive I have. But that one time, it was in the Raven Squad. I think it was in Raven Squad, but that day I met you, it was amazing. It was nothing else I've ever dreamed of. But other than meeting like one of the phase people, but yeah. But you've really supported me throughout the XGen. You've given me hope and everything. So shout out to Mr. XGen. Check out his channel. You watch my dip review. I was like, ah. Oh god, there he is. right to the right of me. He is like 2 feet away from me. Holy shit. Holy shit. I don't know why, but my fucking... I'm dead. He took me and he killed me. Did you hear that? Ah! But alright, don't start the next game up though, okay? Cause I got some stuff to... Can you still hear me? Hello? Alright, can you hear me now? Hello? Hold on. My mic is being fucking retarded. Sorry about this with my inconvenience, guys. It's my fucking mic, I swear. But can you hear me now? Hello? Alright, there. Alright, hold up. What? But alright, if you guys liked the video, please like and subscribe. That would be great. Thank you guys so much for the support on the last video I did about the I think the video was called my first trick shotting montage. If you guys haven't already, you guys should check that out. Got anything to say, Blackhawk? What? Oh, he said thank you guys for watching. Peace.